Thanks for joining, everyone. We're going to wrap up our discussion on how to make $250,000 a year within 6 to 8 years, okay? This is the final piece of the puzzle. In the prior video, I discussed how to land an entry-level accounting role at one of the big 4 public accounting firms. It's critical that when you get that entry-level accounting role, that you get one in the financial statement audit department of that big 4 company, okay? I say that because the highest paid and highest level employees in any organization are the ones that can interpret, construct, and explain financial statements to executives. You don't need to be 40 or 50 years old to land these roles, all right? You just need about 6 to 8 years experience to push yourself over that $250,000 mark, okay? Let's keep talking about it. Okay, as I said in the prior video, after you have about 3 to 4 years experience in public accounting, your salary is now gonna be at the $90,000 to $100,000 range, and you'll have that senior title, which is probably more important. Okay, in order to increase your salary, in order to bump it up more, you're gonna have to leave public accounting and go work in the private sector industry. All right, now when you leave, the roles you're going to apply to are accounting manager and finance manager roles. That's the path you're gonna take because you have the experience for it. All right, those types of roles at most companies are gonna put you in the salary range between $120,000 to $140,000. Okay, when going into these interviews, when speaking with the recruiter, when speaking with the managers, and when speaking with the CFO, you're going to have to really let them know that you understand the high-level accounting topics, the big picture, really. Okay, in order to really lock in these jobs in the interview, you'll have to explain to the recruiter and the CFO that you understand the 3 financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, how they interrelate, and what the most important line items are on there. All right, I have an entire video series linked here on how Warren Buffett analyzes financial statements, okay? If you watch this series, cherry pick some things out of here and expel that information onto the recruiters, onto the interviewing managers, and the CFO. They're gonna be blown away about how you really understand the big picture of accounting, okay? I can almost guarantee you, unless you make a fool of yourself in some other reason or what have you, that you're going to land this role and get it, okay? This is how you set yourself up for success. Okay, now you're in that role, you're an accounting manager, you're a finance manager, spend 3 to 4 years in that role, okay? After 3 to 4 years in that role, you're now ready to take on higher level roles. Again, as I mentioned, Director of Accounting, Director of SEC Reporting, or Corporate Controller role, okay? At that salary range, you can expect between $180,000 to $200,000 in salary, plus a 20 to 25% bonus, okay? So it's a huge pay bump. Let's not forget, yes, you have the experience and qualifications to get those director or control level roles, but you really need to understand high-level CFO accounting concepts. Watch the video here on how to become a CFO, cherry pick what you need to know out of those videos, and explain that information to the recruiters and to the CFO, okay? That is what is going to separate you from the rest. You need to be able to demonstrate that you could technically do the CFO's role, okay? That's why you're taking these Director of Accounting, Director of SEC Reporting roles. You're one below the CFO. So if anything happens, you could be next in line, okay? That's the information you wanna project really to the CFO, to the executive management, that you could technically take that role over, okay? So watch that video series, and that's really it, guys, okay? I explained from start to finish, 0 to 250,000, how to really land that job, how to do it remotely, how to live a stress-free life, okay? I hope you enjoyed the series. I have plenty of other videos for you. If you like it, smash the like button. If you want to have a comment and want to see me talk about more different videos, I can do that, okay? Thank you. Hope you land the role. Let me know how it goes.